Ultimately, this mobile tiny residence earns its designation of retro living on the move through an unwavering and profound dedication to the fundamental philosophies of its chosen design era, elevating it far beyond the status of a mere passing trend. It serves as a potent and articulate affirmation of the enduring capacity of classic design principles to effectively transcend the limitations imposed by physical size and geographical location. By masterfully uniting the elegant linearity and material integrity of mid-century modernism with the practical, logistical demands of contemporary nomadic life, this exceptional home provides its occupants with a truly singular, aesthetically rich, and environmentally informed modality of existence. It represents a stylistic and philosophical emancipation from the restrictive conventions of permanent. Stepping into the dwelling transforms the act of entry into a deliberate and highly sensory experience, plunging the visitor back into the peak stylistic moments of the mid-20th century, resulting in an atmosphere that manages to be simultaneously stimulating to the eye and deeply psychologically comforting. The powerful period-specific ambiance is primarily established and reinforced through the tactile quality and inherent warmth of the carefully specified materials. One is immediately greeted by a refined textural interplay, most likely featuring an extensive application of pale, beautifully finished laminated woods, such as birch or light ash, which provides a crucial visual contrast to the contrast visual drama of decorative plastic laminates featuring the geometric or biomorphic motifs characteristic of the 1950s. The application of color is sharp, purposeful, and highly disciplined, utilizing a spirited spectrum of atomic age primary and tertiary colors. Imagine the bold confidence of flamingo pink, the cool serenity of sage green, the bright energy of daffodil yellow, or the stoic calm of charcoal gray, which are strategically employed across upholstery fabrics, bespoke kitchen surfacing, or defining feature walls to create arresting, dynamic points of focus. Furthermore, the selection of illuminating elements is absolutely indispensable in establishing the desired mood, frequently incorporating abstract and somewhat playful sculptural forms, such as asymmetrical, boomerang-shaped fixtures or perforated metal globe pendants, to cast the dramatic light and shadow effects instantly synonymous with the era's pioneering domestic vision. The practical functionality of the residence stands as an undeniable achievement in intelligent, size-conscious engineering, adeptly adapting the spacious, versatile planning concepts of 1950s residential architecture into a condensed, fully movable structure. The designers have skillfully fabricated an effective visual expanse by integrating numerous generous, precisely rectangular window panes that successfully blend the intimate interior space with the continually changing external setting.